Hi guys, we will be doing circuit number 5, Earsplitter. That sounds a bit worrying. If things are too quiet around your house, this project will fix that in a hurry. Once you try this project, you'll know what it really lives up to. You'll know it really lives up to its name. So I assume it's going to make a noise. Make sure we're turned off. We've got the batteries out. And check we're recording. Yeah, we are recording. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 wiring routes. So, start at beginning. 33. 33 is going to go to 73, which is there. And then to 93, which is there. And then 168, which is there. No. 168. Oh, that's the on-off code key, as they have it labelled down there. So we start off 33 to 73. That's going to be a red one. If I'm lucky, you can't hear the television in the background because these wireless microphone seems to be fairly directional. 73 to 93. That's only a little one. And then 93 to 168. Let's go for a blue one. $168. 34 to 51. 51. Oh, that's the coil for the transformer. 34, 51. And then on to 58, which is the battery. We'll go red again. $50 on the coil to 94. 50, 94, let's go blue. 50, 94 to 96, a short one. 96 to 92, another short one. $52, that one, to 95, that one. I'll go blue again. 52 to 95. 95 to 74. Across there. I'll go red. Okay. 53 That's got to go up to the microphone, surely. So 173, yeah. That's the mic. Speaker, not microphone, speaker. I know what I meant. Just because I'm old and stupid. That's 53 to 173. 54 to 174. $54, 174. 60 battery to 140. On off switch. That's got to be a yellow one. $60 to 140. On off switch on the front here. 75 to 141. 75, 141. And finally 91 to 167. 91. 91? Oh yeah, there. To 167. There. That's the other side of the key. Oh, I got to be a blue one. $91, 167. There we are. So, turn it on. We should be able to hear a loud piercing sound. We can't. Oh, we haven't got the batteries in. Right. Yes, we have a noise. When we press the button, the sound becomes lower in tone. Yeah, that appears to work. The project uses an audio oscillator circuit. You'll find this to be a very common type of circuit in electronics. It is used in many projects in this manual. Okay. It does suggest following the circuit to work out right why the tone changes. Well, very simply, when we put that in circuit, we've got some extra capacitors going in. So that's probably a bit of a clue. Still, that'll do. It works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.